with the pandemic. My understanding is it's never been a better time to get the degree that you wanted to get, to launch yourself in that foundation for when the pandemic is over. There will be millions of people more that want acupuncture. We already saw a huge uptick before the pandemic in people that were interested in modern acupuncture, interested in different types of acupuncture, whether boutique style, group style, hospital style acupuncture. It's been excellent. And so right now is actually a really good time to be getting your education, getting your foundation, whether the master's or the doctorate. In a few years, I'm very confident that the pandemic will be waning, or will have had, ways that we can kind of work around some of those difficulties of practice. In a few years, be out of school with this incredible degree that people will be clamoring to come see you. I think it's an excellent plan. So I just wanted to tell you, I do believe that that's the case.